In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a draft workflow in Gohighlevel. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're on your main dashboard. This is the starting point where you can access all of the key tools inside your account. If you're already logged in, you should be able to move through this process pretty quickly. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This sidebar is where Gohighlevel keeps its main navigation options, and it's the easiest way to get to the automation area. From that left menu, click on Automation. This section is where you manage the systems and sequences that run automatically in your account, including workflows for follow-ups, lead handling, and other automated actions. After you enter the automation section, go to the top menu and click on Workflows. This will open the full list of workflows available in your account. If you have a lot of workflows, take a moment here to scan the list carefully so you can find the exact draft you want to publish. Now look for the workflow that you want to publish. You're specifically looking for the draft version, so make sure you select the correct one before moving forward. This is important because publishing a workflow makes it active, which means it can begin running based on its triggers and conditions. Once you've found the draft you want to publish, move to that workflows row and look for the three dots. This is the More Options menu, and it usually contains actions related to managing that workflow. Click on the three dots to open the menu. In the list of available actions, select Publish Workflow. This tells Gohighlevel that you're ready to move that workflow from draft status into a live, usable state. At this point, a confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure you want to publish it. This is a helpful final check, especially if you want to be certain you've chosen the right workflow. Before confirming, it's always a good idea to make sure the draft is fully set up the way you want. When you're ready, click Publish. Once you do that, the workflow will be published and available to run as intended. And that's it. That's how you publish a draft workflow in Gohighlevel. As a quick tip, after publishing, you may want to review the workflow status and double check that everything looks correct so you can be confident it's live and ready to go.